Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, based on the title, I am doing a Kate Spade unboxing slash review. Now, these Kate Spade slides I have seen on my Facebook page for months, and I needed a new everyday black slip-on ready to go, you know, da 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 da. So I decided to get these slides in black, and they are the Peyton slides. Okay, cost was $75, $79. Let me double check and make sure. So I placed the order on April 5th, so I've had the shoes now for about 6 weeks, right? Yeah, so the total, because it was on sale, it was Kate Spade Surprise. That's their like sale site. It was coming from $109. I got it for $79 plus tax. My total was $84.53. Okay, Peyton slides, and I got them in black in a size 9. I am a true size 9. The slides run true to size, so you don't need to size up or size down. It came in this, let me hide my address, this giant box here. That's how it looks. They had numbers written on it. I don't know why they do that. It came via UPS, I believe, or the USPS. USPS. Okay, so my regular mailman brought it to me. This is how the inside looks. It was stuffed with tissue paper. Like I said, I've been wearing these slides for 6 weeks now. So yeah, okay. It came with a note. Surprise.katespade.com. Thank you for shopping with us. Questions, we're here to help. They have a contact number, XOXO, your Kate Spade New York team. So if you're wondering if the surprise.katespade.com is a legitimate website, it 100% is. Okay, you're getting actual Kate Spade pieces, just like if you were to go to like the Coach outlet website, it is actual Coach products. Okay. So of course, Kate Spade box, gorgeous. If you, I don't know, the lighting is probably too much, but it's pink. There we go, pink and green. And then you have the style and the size of the shoe right there, which you aren't really seeing because it's so bright. But Peyton Pebble Leather Black, size 9. They have it in, I think, 2 other colors, like a nude color and an olive green, if I'm not mistaken. So that's that. And again, I have the black. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. All right, let's put that to the side. And now the shoes. This is what, again, I've had these for 6 weeks, wearing them basically every single day. This is what the slides look like. So they're smooth on the soles, and then for the top part of the slide, it's the pebble leather underneath. That's how it looks. There's no heel at all. It has the Kate Spade New York on the bottoms, and then actually on the inside of the soles, it did have Kate Spade with their little logo inside of it, but after wearing it, it's going to rub off. Okay, comfort level, it's extremely comfortable, extremely lightweight. It's like a regular flip-flop, very similar to the Tory Burch slides that I reviewed. They only cover so much of your toes, so when you walk, you do get that flippy floppy sound and effect. Tory Burch, not so much with that one, but you still get it because the Tory Burch is is a heavier slide in comparison to this. This one's a lot more lightweight, perfect for every day. I actually wore it today. I had to go get my car serviced, and I wore it with some Ock leggings, a white crop top from Rainbow, and those with my Coach fanny pack, and I was good to go. Super cute. It can go with anything. Like I said, I wear it every day with my little everyday dresses, and it's perfect. You guys know I already have my what's it called, my Ralph Lauren bag that I did a what's in my bag video on. If you guys want to see that, I'll leave the link up here that you can tap it, and I'll also put links in the description bar where you can get all the stuff. But that, it goes perfectly with that. I would have loved if these had, you see how the Kate Spade New York, let me show you how the Kate Spade New York is in white here. If that was in red, that would be fire, truly. like truly. But I love the slides. Again, they're a size 9 and I am a true size 9. It fits perfectly. It has the square toe, which I love. It makes square toe shoes make my toes look amazing. Okay, I think I covered everything. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.